Hey guys, it's Hallie Anne. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Hallie. So happy to have you. And if you are not new, hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. In today's video, short and sweet, I'm trying to make my intro short and sweet, but I'm bad at that. I just want to really address some hyped products by influencers, Instagram, popular products, things that just had like a lot of hype around, or like even cult favorite products that people love that I do not like. So sometimes I find these very interesting just to kind of see like an honest opinion about a product that seems to have a very heavy following behind. By no means, if you like these products, please don't take it the wrong way, obviously, because everybody is different, everybody's skin's different, everybody's tones are different, you know what I mean? So a product that doesn't work for me may be your all-time favorite product ever. Please don't take it personally. So if you guys are curious to see some hyped products that just do not work for me, then please subscribe, stick around, I would love to have you, and let's just go ahead and get started. I'm probably gonna go in like order. I don't have a lot of eye stuff, but I have a lot of face stuff because, as you guys know, I do try a lot of face stuff. I'm very particular about foundation, application, that's the kind of stuff that I love. This very first thing, I'm just gonna jump right into it. This is by Morphe, and this is the Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. This is a sponge that I saw Jaclyn Hill like standing behind. I'm almost positive it's this one. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's bad. It's terrible. It does nothing to blend out. It's very stiff. It kind of feels like memory foam right now, and you would think like, yes, that's probably very good, but it's not. It's bad. I had like weird lines in my foundation and my concealer when I was using it to blend it out. It was just not good. My Real Techniques Face and Body Gigantic Sponge is light years better. This one sucks. Bad. I don't like it. It does not work for me. I'm sorry, Morphe. I do like a lot of your products, but this is terrible and I hate it. I hate it so much. I actually had to get this out of the trash can. Is that gross or what? This is a hard pass. So the next product that I want to talk about are a couple foundations. I have 3 different foundations that people seemingly loved when they came out, or they still love, like it's a cult favorite product, and I do not like it. Do not like it. Just a little background information. I have dry skin, but kind of normal, but I can get a little bit oily in the center part, so I'm not like super oily, but definitely normal to dry. If that helps you out, don't know. Okay. So, okay, I don't know why this makes me a little bit uncomfortable, but like I gotta get the tea out there, okay? I hated myself for saying that, I'm so sorry. The first foundation that is a little bit more expensive, it is a high-end foundation, and I do not like it. And I'm showing you both because they are from the same kind of line, just a different variation of the product, and it is by Makeup Forever, and this is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation, and this is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick. Ew. For one, ew, the foundation stick is so bad. I can't use any foundation sticks. I bought this because everybody that I've seen on YouTube, all you dry skin gals who like say, oh my gosh, this is so good for dry skin, you're lying, because it is terrible. It's terrible. It's so bad on my skin. I can use so many primers to like prime my face, to hydrate it, to fill pores, but like as soon as you slick it on, it's like immediately boom, pores. And then when I blend it out, it's literally like having a layer of foundation sitting on top of your skin. It will not blend in to my face. It will not sink in. It doesn't do anything. It looks so bad. I hate it. I don't like it. I'm sorry. I just don't. It does not work for me. Don't waste your money, or do, try it. Maybe it works for you. I don't know, but it's so bad on me. The Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Liquid, I'll say this, I like it better than the foundation stick. However, it's just not my favorite. Like, it's not worth the price to me. There are so many drugstore foundations that I love over this. It does even tend to kind of make me oily, which is weird because I'm really not oily. Like, I'll just look shiny at the end of the day. It doesn't give me like the coverage, the smoothness, the airbrushedness. And I know this is supposed to be like an HD foundation. It's okay, it's okay. Would I repurchase it? I mean, not that I ever purchased it because this is like a little baby thing, but no, I mean, no. So many other foundations that I love that work so much better on my skin. So those from that line are just a hard pass for me. The second foundation that I know a lot of people really do enjoy, I can't like it. It's the IT Cosmetics CC Cream foundation. Color correcting, full coverage cream, anti-aging, hydrating serum. All of that in that statement sounds awesome. Hydrating, color correcting, full coverage, anti-aging, SPF 50. I'm all for it. Sign me up. That's why I bought it. However, when I put this on my skin, I find that it does not blend well. It is full coverage. I will say that for a CC cream, it is very full coverage. I don't trust a lot of foundations that are just like light medium, medium deep, and dark, that like can just span a whole section of skin tones. Like, I don't trust it. It's like people who don't like dogs, I don't trust it. I don't trust foundations that have like 4 colors. You know what I mean? That's all I have to say about it. It's just like, And then the very last foundation that I have to talk about, this was something that I know a lot of beauty influencers were excited about because it's from the drugstore, it's at a great price point, and you know, it was supposed to be like sunscreen, hydrating, full coverage, the whole shebang, and I'm like, yeah, that sounds awesome. This is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation with vitamins and broad spectrum SPF of 20. No, this does not last at all around my forehead. I am notorious for doing this, but I have never had a foundation that will break up so fast. So fast. And I'm not even oily. I'm not oily. It doesn't blend well. Like, one time when I was using this in the morning, I swear I blended it, and then I had like this huge chunk missing on my side of my cheek, and I'm like at work, and I'm like, well, there's no going back. And it kind of smells weird. Kind of like root beer, but with vitamins. It just breaks up and looks bad on my skin. So those are some foundations that I just cannot do. Will not do. This product is just gonna be like an honorable mention because I wish so badly that it worked, because it's actually pretty decent, pretty nice, especially for the price point. And this is by Catrice Cosmetics Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. I know a lot of people like Tati and some other big YouTubers were kind of comparing it to like Tarte Shape Tape-esque, like when this had come out. So I picked it up and I was like, wow, this actually looks pretty good. The coverage is awesome, but it breaks me out. It gives me like weird red bumps underneath my eyes, and I know I do have like more sensitive skin, so I just want to let you guys know that. So the next 2 products that I want to talk about are some bronzers. One is drugstore, one is high-end, and they both don't work for me. We'll talk about the drugstore one first, and this is something that you guys are gonna be like, oh my gosh, what is wrong with you? Okay, I hear you, but it doesn't work for me. And this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzers. So many people love this bronzer. They just love it. This bronzer breaks me out. It's very light, which I do appreciate. I appreciate the fact that it's lighter and you can build it up, and it does kind of have like a healthy-ish look to it. However, it breaks me out. It's not my favorite. I really want to find a drugstore bronzer that I really enjoy, but this one, it doesn't work for me. I'm not gonna sacrifice the bumps on my face for like a drugstore bronzer, so it's just no. And I mean, the smell doesn't do it for me. It really doesn't. I don't like it. This next one, I feel like I'm gonna get the same reaction to, and I honestly give myself the same reaction to because it is expensive. This is the Marc Jacobs Tantric Omega Bronzer. I have a love-hate with this bronzer. I want to love it. I love the packaging. I love how big and gigantic the pan is, but it is very deep and very red on me. My lights do not show you, but it does not work for me or my skin tone. This is a no from me. But like, I can't throw it out. And it's funny because I actually, like, Marc Jacobs is probably one of my all-time, well, I shouldn't even say it. I mean, but it is though. I love Marc Jacobs beauty products, like their lip glosses, out of the park. Their eyeliners, out of the park. I love so many things that they create. Their mascara, out of the park. I love all those things. So I was like really excited about this, and I was like, okay, $50. No, the color does not work for me. It does not look good on me. Even if I'm like really tan, it's just like red, and I don't want to put red on my face. I already have rosacea, and we have made it to the very last product of this video, and this is gonna be another controversial product. This is the Urban Decay Naked Heat eyeshadow palette. I will admit, I was somebody who was so on this bandwagon. I was so ready. I was so ready for this palette to come out. I thought that it looked so nice. I bought it early off of urbandecay.com. I did this video last year, I think, testing it out, and dude, I've used it no times since that video. I do not like it. It's so red toned. I love a good warm eye, but I think I need it to be a little bit more neutral orangey yellow versus red warm. I do not like red warm. I haven't picked it up more than once or twice. Nope, not good. Don't like it. Sorry if you guys like it. I know a lot of people do like it, but it's just, no. All right, guys, so that really covers a lot of the products that I have in my collection that are kind of more hyped, had a lot of cult following behind, a lot of like push for when they first had come out, and they just do not work for me. But like I prefaced in the very beginning of this video, if they work for you, that's so awesome. I'm so glad. I wish I could magically make mine new again and send them to you. Like, honestly, I would do that, but that's not, no. So I'm really glad if they work for you, and if you were kind of curious about any of those products, maybe this kind of helps like give an honest opinion on some of them. But yeah, that's it. I'm really sorry because I love like all of these brands. They were just products from the brand that just don't do it for me. They don't work for me. They don't work on my skin. They don't work on my skin tone. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.